how to get top fan badge on any Facebook page. So if you want to earn a badge of top fan on any Facebook page, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So for example, let's open up to our Facebook page. Let me be here for example. So if it's a page and you want to earn a top fan badge of this page, then you need to react to every single post, and also you have to interact with the post of the page. If you interact with the post of the page and also all of the things posted over here, then Facebook will detect you automatically that you are a top fan of this page, and you'll be able to receive a top fan badge from this page. And the badge will be displayed right next to your name when you comment on any post of this page. So as a conclusion, if you interact with the post of these pages frequently, then you'll be able to earn a top fan badge on this Facebook page. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.